Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Preeti Kumari and I am back with another video on off-campus job and intern opportunities. So the batches which are applicable are 2022 and 2023. Some of these opportunities are intern opportunities as well as full-time opportunities. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the very first opportunity in this list is from Revenue. It is for the role of backend developer, and someone who is from the batch 2022 and 2023 is applicable for this opportunity. So let's have a quick look. So as you can see, it is a backend developer, India, it's remote, full-time and engineering. So here you can see the role is backend developer. They have mentioned that what they do at Revenue, we are bringing the future of AI powered contract management to the world. And much more thing about Revenue. The job summary is it is a 100% remote job, exciting contract management, SaaS poised, and experienced leadership team with a great culture and fun place to work. So here they have given something about the job. The responsibilities that someone should be able to compile and analyze data, process and code to troubleshoot problems. Someone should collaborate with the front-end developers and other team to establish objectives. Someone should develop ideas for new programs. Someone should be participating in continuing education and training to remain current on best practice, and taking lead on projects are needed. So the required qualification is someone who is having bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field, someone who is having good experience with Python and Django framework, someone who is having a good experience with frameworks of Python such as Django and Flask, someone who is having a good experience with relational databases and SQL Server, strong understanding of web development cycle and strong communication skills, problem solving skills, and ability to work independently with a group. They have also given something about the preferred qualification, that if you are having these qualifications, you have a much more preference, and that is a plus point. So building REST APIs using Django, good knowledge of SQL, good knowledge of AWS services and APIs. So these all things you can have a quick look, and here you can find this particular apply to this position option, and you're good to go with this opportunity. You also get an additionally apply using LinkedIn option. So they will be majorly using all the things, experiences and everything from your LinkedIn profile. So the second opportunity in this list is from CrowdSec. It is for the role of full stack developer, and someone who is from the batch 2022 and 2023 is applicable for this opportunity. So let's have a quick look at this as well. So as you can see, this is the careers portal of CloudSec. Here you can find this intern SD full stack. So they have given who are we. CloudSec is one of the India's most trusted cybersecurity product companies on a mission to build the world's fastest and most reliable AI technology. So they have given something about CloudSec, the product suite and about the role. So someone who is having great programming skills in front-end technologies, in back-end technologies, knowledge in building products, good knowledge of SQL, AWS, cloud services, and basic familiarity with HTML, CSS, jQuery, Bootstrap, and etc. So they have given the benefits of joining CloudSec: flexible working hours, generous medical insurance, lunch, unlimited snacks and drinks, located in the heart of Bangalore city, that is Indiranagar. So basically it would be based in Bangalore. Here you can find this particular form where you can fill first name, last name, email, phone number, LinkedIn profile and website, and here you can hit the submit application button, and you are good to go with this opportunity. So the third and last opportunity in this list is from BCG Gamma. It is for the role of software engineer, and someone who is from the batch 2023 is applicable for this opportunity. So let's have a quick look at this as well. So as you can see, it is BCG Gamma Forward Deployed Software Engineer Internship. So here they have given Boston Consulting Group partners with leaders in business and society to tackle their most important challenges and capture their greatest opportunities. So here they have given something about the BCG and what you will be doing here. And they have given that someone who should be able to apply software development practices, someone who should be involved in every part of software development lifecycle, someone should be motivated by fast-paced and service-oriented environment, enjoy collaborating in teams, and a natural problem solver. Requirements is someone who is currently enrolled in a university degree program. Technologies is programming language is Python. So basically candidates should be aware that BCG maintains a policy requiring all US and Canada based employees to be fully vaccinated against COVID-19, and much more things are given here. So Here you can see the compensation is also provided here, so you can just convert it into the Indian rupees and see what is the actual amount you would be getting, and here you can get the apply now button and you are good to go with this opportunity. So this was all about the opportunities and intern opportunities in this video. I'll be coming with some more videos. Till then, if you are someone who is liking my content, please hit the like button. If you are someone who is new to my channel and wants to stay updated about off-campus job and intern opportunities along with some tech related things, can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're someone who is hiring for your org or knows someone who is hiring for their org, can go ahead and comment down all the opportunities you know. This was all about this video. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing. Bye all.